is Judge Lynn Toler. Here's a clip from divorce court that hit the, this one. Hit the internet, went viral. This is the, is this the Wu-Tang? Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, here.
Right?
Take a look here.
He accused me of sleeping with the entire Wu-Tang clan.
She did.
Do
you even know the Wu-Tang clan?
She went backstage.
I did.
Oh, so you did know them?
Well, yes. I had an amazing night one night. I had a really good opportunity.
It was amazing, all right.
Hang, Mr. Sellers,
It was
please.
amazing.
Well, how amazing was it?
It was.
She gave Wu some tang.
I did not know.
Mr. Sellers, you're gonna
Nothing.
have
I don't know.
You asked the first question.
I asked the first question. Well, I imagine you've heard it all.
Yes, I have.
But the entire Wu-Tang clan?
Wu-Tang clan. Well, you know, and someone from the Wu-Tang clan answered and said, no, it never happened. And she said, nothing ever happened. He just believed that that, you know, she said they talked and were perfect gentlemen. And that's apparently
So that was her experience with the entire Wu-Tang clan.
It was a nice discussion.
But now
didn't believe
you can enjoy the fruits of the internet because that's not how it's played.
Exactly, exactly.
How fascinating is it to deal with the husband's perspective and the wife's perspective? Because they approach things differently.
It's very interesting, and it's so odd and so strange that the two of them can actually have a conversation in front of me. The woman will say something, and I'll ask the guy, what did she just say? And he'll get it wrong. Completely wrong. And it happens the other way, too, because we hear so differently, we speak so differently, and we understand so differently.
Excuse me, what did she just say?
Stop it. I'm just fascinated by the intensity of what you do. I mean, you guys tape what, like 9 shows a day or 3 shows a day?
No, 9.
9 shows a day.
Yeah.
3 days a week.
Right.
How? I mean, at some point, does everything just blend together?
I never know what happened on the 3rd day. After that, everything is all muddled together.
Yeah,
it's all
sure.
gone. I don't remember anything.
Yes.
And I don't know who I talked to or what I said, you know, when it's over. But when you're in there, those people are real, and they're really angry, or they're really upset, or they're really whatever it is. So while you're in it, you're up and you're on top of it. And you just pass out later.
One of the things about doing the kind of show we do, we don't remember. We don't remember. We say, what did we do Tuesday?
We don't remember
We don't remember.
yesterday.
It just blurs.
Yeah.
Yes.
It just goes
Now,
right by
and
you.
it's a good thing, by the way, that we don't. Divorce court is, I guess it's the longest running show in history. It must be.
Well, the longest running court show, clearly. We've been on in a couple of different iterations. Back in the 50s, it was court proceedings that were reenacted from transcripts.
There are some
and
people,
now it's
there's
real
some people who remember those early shows
Some people.
in the building.
I can't imagine who.
And those were acted out.
Yes,
No, it's different.
from transcripts.
You had actors playing the people.
Exactly.
The judge was an actor, etc.
Right.
Then, years and years later, it became a reality show.
Exactly, where people who were really married, getting a divorce, would come to and get determinations by a real judge.
I'm surprised when I watch these episodes because I can't imagine someone coming out on television and kind of airing their dirty laundry. I think, who would do this?
At this point,
insane.
with all the reality shows that
I
are on.
know, but this isn't a joke.
I think that a lot of the men say that their wives really wanted to come on because they feel hurt and they want to be heard.
Humiliate
in
them?
regular
Really?
in regular divorces, no one ever says you were a jerk, you were wrong, and they want to be heard and they want to feel.
Are you ever looking for healing?
Always.
Do you get it?
Sometimes.
Okay.
On
'Cause
occasion.
you also advise people on marriage, not divorce. So.
I absolutely. I used to say to myself, why did you two ever get married? If I was your mother, I would have told you not to. So I do episodes called Before Your Vows, where I talk to people about what they should know before they get married.
And by the way, let me just say this. Here, stand up with me. People react the same way wherever she goes. You are so large on TV. You are the tallest person on earth sitting up there.
5'1" and 1/4 inch. That's all I got.
Wow.
That's
All right,
all I
Divorce
got.
Court, weekdays, afternoons at 2 o'clock on My 13. Always good to see you, Judge. Thank you
good to
very,
be
very
here.
much.